Hello, welcome to another tutorial with Aaron. It's Christmas and we're gonna be playing carol songs. So I want to teach you how to play this song Silent Night. I'll be playing in the key of F. Alright, so I want to thank you for subscribing to my channel, watching the videos and liking it. For those who have been liking the video and then sending the links out, you help YouTube to promote my videos to a wider audience. And then the purpose of this channel is to help intermediate players and then beginner level players to play songs using the simple chords they know, understanding how progressions work. Alright, so I'm going to show you the chords and then the progression and then show you what I just played. So the silent night, you play chord 1. Silent night, holy night, you play chord 1. All is bright, all is calm. Alright, so this is a chord 1. This is a chord 5. You can play any inversion that you want. Alright. So silent night, holy night, all is bright. Then you play all is calm. Now this place you're gonna be playing 1 on your left whilst you play chord 4 on your right to 1. Now essentially what this does is you play a suspended chord. It's like playing so all is night, all is calm. But in this case you play the 4 and then the 1, so it suspends the chord before it resolves. So let me play it again. Silent night, holy night, all is bright, all is calm. Then you move to 4 again. Round your virgin mother and child. You move to 4 again. Holy infant, so tender and mild. Then you move to chord 5. Sleep in heavenly peace. Sleep in heavenly peace. So let's continue with it. Round your virgin mother and child. I'm still playing chord 1. Okay. Holy infant, so tender and mild. So you play a chord 5 and then your passing chord in peace. Alright, so this is the passing chord. Or most of the times when you are on your 5th chord, you can just play this and then you're on. So it's like a 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. Yeah. So yeah. It's a diminished chord. And the way you play your diminish, when if this is your note, you count 1, 2, 3, then count 1, 2, 3. That's your diminish chord. So sleep in heavenly peace, then sleep in heavenly peace. All right. So if you want to play the notes, there's a different way to you can play this song. Silent night, holy night, all is white, all is high. I am virgin mother and child, holy infant, so tender and mild, sleeping heavenly peace, sleeping heavenly peace. Alright, so essentially what you're playing is 1, 2, 3, 5, or 1, 2, 3, 4. So when you're playing, you can play it to. So let me play it like here for you. So if you want to play the single notes with the melody, the chords on your left, this is it. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to comment in the comment below so that I know what you think.